12-inch apps. This is my quick store pages component made for your Arcblock page. What I wanted to do was get you a component that would allow you to get a store card up very quickly in minutes. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Here's an example card. You can make all of this custom. You have 3 images that can be uploaded straight from your device, a title, product description. The user is going to select the size, small, medium, extra large, large, and a color. Choose buy it now, and a payment link will pop up. So let's see how that works. Once you got the component set up on your page, this is what it's going to look like here, the quick store component. You can see all of this can be customized. The background color, which is gray now, card color, font color, font size, the title, the description, the centering of the text. These next parameters here is where you'll upload the 3 images straight from your device. And then what you see next here, where it says small white pay link, that's where you're going to enter the payment link for the small white. And then you'll have medium white, that's where you'll enter the payment link for the medium white, and so forth. And so you do have to create the payment links in your payment kit, but once you've done that, you could then copy and paste them into the card here. And once you have your card all made up, it's going to look something like this. Customer comes here, clicks buy it now, and then is sent that payment link, which you have set up on your back end. Thank you very much for checking out 12-inch apps, our store card. Thank you and have a good day.